Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and getting connected. This is essential. Make sure your Airpods model, an iPhone or iPad run supported firmware, and iOS 14 or later, because spatial audio needs both hardware and software coordination. Once paired, keep the Airpods within about 10 meters and above 20% battery so the firmware can update if needed. Now, open Bluetooth, connect, and pause other audio sources. This avoids automatic routing conflicts while we change spatial audio settings and run quick checks. Next, you enable and configure spatial audio so the system can position sound correctly. Swipe into Control Center, long press the playback card, and tap Spatial Audio. Pick Head Tracked for dynamic head tracking or Fixed for a stable sound field. Both alter how the mix adapts to your movement. Then, go to Settings and temporarily disable headphone accommodations while testing, because custom EQ can mask spatial cues. Finally, play a known Dolby Atmos or spatial-enabled track in a supported app to verify the effect in real time. Finish by ensuring software parity and isolating the fault. Update iOS and the Airpods firmware. Firmware updates can take several minutes, so leave them charging. If spatial audio still fails, forget the Airpods and repair to clear profiles, then test with a single app and reboot both device and Airpods. If problems continue, perform a factory reset on the Airpods. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the specific track or app supports spatial audio. Sometimes playback content, not your hardware, is the limiting factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.